Good morning, students. Today we will discuss the poem A Photograph written by Shirley Tolson. She was born in 1924 in England. She is highly regarded poet, innovative writer about Britain's walk, ancient tracks and traditions. Besides, she was greatly influenced by her father, who was also a writer. The poem has been written in 3 stanzas and it presents a contrast between the permanence of the nature and ever changing human life. The poem depicts 3 stages of life. In the first stanza, it depicts her mother's childhood days when she was only 12 years old, and how she was happy with her cousins Betty and Dolly, and how her childhood has been depicted so happy. They were dressed up in a very beautiful costumes, and her mother changed over the years as she grew older, while the sea which touched their feet in that beach holiday hadn't changed over the years. So, what has been depicted in the first line, that nature remains as it is while human life is ever changing. In the second stanza, the poet talks about her childhood days when her mother used to look at the photograph and recalls everything mentioned in the first stanza. Now, what happens? Mother is grown up. She was showing her photograph to her daughter. Both were very happy. But simultaneously, mother is sad because she has lost her childhood. And this is the example of ever changing human life. First, she was a child, now she is grown up. And now, what happens in the last stanza? The poet is very sad because her mother is dead. She is recalling the happy moments she had spent with her mother. Now, here she refers to the poet. She was alone. She is grieved and is trying to console herself with the happy moments, happy memories of her mother. So what has been depicted through the poem? इसमें लाइफ की 3 स्टेजेस के बारे में बताया गया है, एंड दैट इज़ द ट्रूथ ऑफ नेचर. फर्स्ट वन इज बर्थ, second one is growth, and third one is death. And in the first stanza or first stage of life is very happy and carefree. Mother is very happy and she is enjoying her holiday with her cousins Betty and Dolly. In other words, we can say that mother is very happy. And what happens in second stanza? Both mother and daughter, mother and poet, are happy, but mother is sad also because she has lost her childhood. And in last and third stanza, what happens? Poet is very sad. She is full of grief because she has lost her mother. थर्ड स्टेजा में मदर की डेथ हो जाती है, इसलिए पोइट बहुत ही सैड है, अनहैप्पी है. Now let's take a very important question. What are the 3 phases depicted in the poem A Photograph? And now hopefully the 3 stages are clear to you. First phase depicts the happy childhood of poet's mother when she was only 12 years old. Second phase depicts the happy moments of the poet with her mother. And third phase depicts the poet's sadness because of his mother's death. One more point. What does the poet reminisce? The poet rejoices memories of her past through a photograph of her mother, and poet remembers wistfully how her mother used to look at the photograph years later, and again she is recollecting. She would point out at her cousins and give description of how the girls were dressed for a beach holiday. One more very important question. What impact has the photograph on the poet? The photograph is very important poem, and what has been depicted about transience of human life, death and mysteries surrounding them. The poet is looking at the photograph of her mother and missing her. The photograph depicts the scene of her mother's childhood when she, along with her cousins Betty Dolly and uncle, had gone to a beach. 3 चीज़ें इसमें बताई गई हैं. फोटोग्राफ किस चीज़ का सिंबल है? सबसे पहले तो ये ह्यूमन लाइफ का, कि वो टेम्परेरी है, परमानेंट नहीं है. इंस्पाइट जो नेचर है दैट इज़ परमानेंट. सेकंड जो पॉइंट इसमें क्लियर किया गया है फोटोग्राफ के द्वारा, दैट इज़ द पोइट इज़ मिसिंग हर मदर. एंड थर्ड वन इज़ फोटोग्राफ डिपिक्ट करता है मदर के चाइल्डहुड को, हैप्पी मोमेंट्स को, केयर फ्री लाइफ का. सो द फोटोग्राफ इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द पोइट. And finally, what about the conclusion of the poem? Here, photograph summary compares the internal state of nature and the momentary state of human. In other words, we can say that the poem reveals the contrast between the permanence of the nature and ever-changing human life. In the poem, poetess describes a photograph of her mother's childhood. In the photograph of time when she went for a sea holiday with her 2 girl cousins, we can say that the photograph is the witness of 3 stages of life. First, it is the witness of poet's mother's childhood. Second one, when she is grown up and she is sharing her happiness with the poet. And third one, when mother is dead and the poet is very sad and she is missing her mother and she is remembering her moments spent with her mother. So let's conclude the poem. Stage 1. When poet's mother was 12 years old, she was very happy. She is a child and happy moments with cousins. Second stage is when mother is grown up and mother is very happy as well as sad also, and poet is also happy because she is sharing her happy moments with her mother. And third stage is when the poet is grown up but her mother is dead, and it depicts the sad moments of the poet. Hopefully the poem is clear to you, and note down all the main points in your notebook. Thank you very much.